Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, today we learn addition, subtraction, multiplication of matrix 2 times 2 and 3 times 3. Okay, the first is addition. Now we start with addition 2 times 2 of matrix. Okay, for example, I have matrix A. Matrix A is equals in bracket 1, 4, 3, and 0. Matrix B is equal in bracket 4, 2, 5, and 3 brackets. Alright, for this first thing first thing is you add for matrix A and matrix B. You have it in each order. It's order. And A plus B, you have to add each individual number to the order R, which are assigned on the same exact location of the order matrix. To make it simple is 1 with 4 and 4 with 2, 3 with 5 and 0 with 3. So A plus B is equals open bracket 1 plus 4, 4 plus 2, 3 plus 5, and 0 plus 3 brackets. Okay, the result of this is open bracket 5, 8, 6, and 3. So addition 2 times 2 matrix is pretty simple. So it's that next to 3 times 3. For example, I have matrix A is equals open bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 9, 6, and 7 bracket. Matrix B is open bracket 2, 4, 2. Matrix B is equals open bracket 2, 4, 2, 0, 1, 0, 5, 3, and 4 brackets. Similarly, as in 2 times 2, we just have to add each number with the consecutive number or the consecutive number of the second group is A plus B is equals open bracket 1 plus 2, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 0, 5 plus 1, 0 plus 0, 9 plus 5, 6 plus 3, and 7 plus 4 brackets. A result applied for that is 3, open bracket, 3, 6, 5, 4, 6, 0, 14, 9, and 11. And now we are gonna move on to 4. And now we are going to move on to the subtraction of matrix. Okay, for subtraction, the first we will do 2 times 2 of matrix. For example, I have a matrix. A is equals, open bracket, 1, 4, 3, 2 brackets, and matrix B is equal 4, 3, 5, and 2 brackets. So you need to, you are asked to subtract to subtract P from A. So A minus B is equals, you just subtract matrix A, and you just subtract this is and this is. So A minus B is equal, open bracket, 1 minus 4, 4 minus 3, 3 minus 4, and 2 minus 2, close bracket. So the result is, open bracket, 3 minus 2 minus 1 and 0. And now is subtraction of 3 times 3 matrix. For example, I have a matrix A is equal, open bracket, 5, 3, 0, 2, 1, 9, 4, 1, 0, close bracket, and matrix B is equals, open bracket, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 0, 4, 5. Okay, the rules is same for the rule is similar did as 2 times 2. So A minus B is, open bracket, 5 minus 1, 3 minus 3, 0 minus 2, 2 minus 4, 1 minus 1, 9 minus 4, 4 minus 0, and 0 minus 5. So the result for that is equals, open bracket, minus 4, 0, minus 2, minus 2, 0, 5, 4, minus 3, and minus 5. Yeah, so this is about addition and subtraction of matrix 2 times 2 and 3 times 3. So I will be moving on to the multiplication of matrix. Okay, for the multiplication, the rules of multiplication of matrix is at row times column. Okay, the first matrix 2 times 2. For example, I have a matrix A is equals open bracket 2, 3, 4, 5, and matrix B is equals open bracket 5, 8, 9, and 0. Okay, so now I was asked to multiply matrix A into matrix B. What you do? What you do is A B is equals first row times first column. Okay, for first row first column is 2 times 5 plus 3 times 9. For first row second column is first row matrix A times 2 columns matrix B is 2 times 8 plus 3 times 0. For next, for second row and first column is 4 times 9 plus sorry. Okay, second row first column is 4 times 5 plus 5 times 9. For second row second column is 4 times 8 plus 5 times 0. So equals open bracket 10 plus 27 and 16 plus 0, 20 plus 45 and 32 plus 0 bracket. So the result of A times B is equals open bracket 37 and 37, 16, 65 and 32. Okay, for the next is multiplication 3 times 3. For 3 times 3 multiplication matrix 3 times 3 is the root is similar for similar as 2 times 2. Okay, for example, I have matrix A is equals open bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 7, 8, and 9. Matrix B is equals open bracket 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 0, 1, and 0 brackets. Okay, the multiplication A times B is equals open bracket for first row first column is 1 times 2 plus 2 times 5 plus 3 times 0. For first row second column is 1 times 1 plus 2 times 7 plus 3 times 1. For first row, third column is 3. Is 1 times 3 plus 2 times 8 plus 3 times 0. Okay, next for second row, first column is 4 times 2 plus 5 times 5 plus 0 times 0. For second row, second column is 4 times 1 plus 5 times 7 plus 0 times 1. For second row, third column is 4 times 3 plus 5 times 8 plus 0 times 0. For third row, first column is 7 times 0 plus 8 times 1 plus 9 times 0. For second column, For third row, one column, first column is 7 times 2 plus 8 times 5 plus 9 times 0. Third row, second column is 7 plus 1, 7 plus 8, 7 times 1 plus 8 times 7 plus 9 times 1. For third row, third column is 7 times 3 plus 8 times 8 plus 9 times 0 equals 2 plus 10 plus 0, 1 plus 14 plus 3, 3 plus 16 plus 0, 8 plus 25 plus 0, 4 plus 35 plus 0, 20 plus 40 plus 0, 14 plus 20 plus 0, 7 plus 56 plus 9, 21 plus 64 plus 0. Okay. So the result of A times B is 12. 18, 19, 33, 39, 52, 54, 72, and 85.